Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Randy. I'm Randy. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. If this is not your first time, welcome back. I decided to get an everyday wig because I didn't have one that does not require any gluing or things like that. And with my hair growing, I just don't want to have to do too much to conceal my hair as I'm trying on new wigs or different wigs, or if I'm running late for something. So I decided to get this wig, which is a curly, shorter wig with some fringes. So that way there's no gluing necessary. There's no need to flat iron it. Like, it's literally just put on and go. And I decided to go with a curly wig because I have other wigs, for example, my headband wig, but for that one, I still need to flat iron it. So it's not too much get up and go. And same thing with my straight bob with bangs. So it still does need a little bit of effort. And hopefully this one, I can just literally put on my head and just spray it a little bit or put some foam into it and out the door. I've had some issues. Some days I'll set up my outfit and then especially in the process of growing my hair, right now it looks okay. Obviously you can see like the bald edges and everything, but that's fine. But like in the process while I was still growing my hair, it really didn't look good to just go out like this. If I had a really nice outfit on, I didn't want to go out and have like patches of hair. It just looked like I was homeless a little bit. So I had to cover my head a lot. That's why in a lot of my posts, in a lot of my videos, unless it was a wig video, but like I was always just covering my head. And it was a very, very hard time for me the past 6 months of growing my hair and not being able to just have it out like I have it now. Just because it was like an awkward length and an awkward shape, and I just didn't like it. I didn't look good, so I didn't want to show my head. And it was also like every time I would plan an outfit, I would have to then look at my wigs and I'm like, oh my god, each and every one of them needs work. Like, I need to put in work because it doesn't have bangs or fringes, so I have to have it laid so that you can't see the lace, or it needed to be flat ironed. So I decided I was gonna go ahead and get this wig. Hopefully it looks good, and let's get into it. So it came in this box right here, the LUVMEHAIR box. It actually changed. It's cute. And I'll have the information of the wig and the link below, so that way if you're interested in this wig, you can click on the link. And no, I don't get paid for it. I still don't get paid for it. I just really like the company, and I like to share what I try on and what I get from them. And I always tell you guys if it works or if it doesn't work. So it's not like I'm just like, try this person and they're great, and in the back I'm like not even using it. I do use their wigs. I'm constantly wearing wigs, especially in the last 6 months because of the fact that I was growing my hair. I had to wear wigs or wraps or bonnets a lot. So yeah, love them, definitely recommend. So let's get into this wig. So this is the natural short curly fringe wig. I got it in 12 inches. You can get it either in 10 or in 12. It has a lot of really good reviews, and I saw some of the pictures that the girls were posting. So hopefully it looks just as good on my head. It smells like somebody who just got their hair done. Like, it smells like products, actually. That's very cool. So like I said, it's not a lace front wig. It's a little cap all around. This is the front of the wig here, and then you have the side combs here, and then there's a back one here, and then the band right here. So I'm just gonna shake it a little bit to make it nice. And then it's actually really full. On the mannequin, on the picture on the website, it looked pretty thin, but it's actually pretty full. So let's see what it looks like on me. So this is right out the box. This is so interesting. Not interesting in a bad way, just like interesting because I don't remember the last time that I saw myself in this look. So that's it looks a little funny right now. Let me go off camera and try and fix it just a little bit, maybe a little bit of spray, maybe a little bit of mousse, and then making sure that these bangs are in the right direction, and I'll be right back. So I went to the restroom and I got my hair wet with just some water, and now I'm going to be using this curling mousse to try and redefine a little bit more these curls. I see this a lot online, so you will be able to see if this works or not. For me at least. Kind of gives that wet look, and I really like that actually. Let's get the back. So there you guys have it. This is going to be my new everyday wig. And I think that this really entails an everyday wig. Like, it's actually just throw on and go. I don't need to do anything to it. The only thing that I would need to do would be to get it a little bit wet and then put some mousse in it. But other than that, it's ready to go. I was a little bit scared. If we're being honest, I was a little bit scared when I put it on because it was pretty big, and also it didn't seem to have a shape to it. And like I said, online it looks thinner. I don't know if it's just me or if I don't know. It looked thinner and lighter online, but here, like, the curls are really defined. They're really beautiful, and so I like it. I feel like I got, like, what is it called, like a Jerry curl? I think that I just stepped back in time, but I actually like it because I've been wanting some curls in my life. I have the cinnamon curl video, and I'll also have the link in the description, but that's more of a statement wig, so I wouldn't wear that to go to the grocery store or something. Like, I don't know, I feel like that was that's a party wig. I can't just wear it anytime during the day or something. But this one I can throw on if I'm going to like a birthday party, which I seem to be going to a lot lately, or any like other events, just like an everyday event. So this is a really cool wig. I like it. This was not like a check out this new wig type of video. This is just like, this is my new everyday wig. So I might be filming in this, I might not. This is like, I love this. I'm actually filming another video soon, so I might keep this on. I like this. Let me know in the comments if you like it as well. Let me show you the back. And I will have all the information in the description below. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This was just a check out my new wig video. It wasn't anything crazy. This is going to be my everyday wig, so you're probably gonna see pictures of me on Instagram with it, or just like future videos. This is just like my throw on and go wig. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to like this video. This really helps me and motivates me to make more videos, and also subscribe to my channel. I am doing my best to just be on here more often and just share with you guys a little bit more, and just really use this platform as my online diary, because I just look back at like the last year and a half that I've been really active on here, and like it's just amazing to see where I was and then where I'm at now. So I just want to get back to filming and hanging out with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you guys check out the new videos as they come in. Thank you guys so much. Until the next one, cheers.